Microsoft dropped a 4 billion parameter image model last week that renders a full 1024 pixel image in 0.59 seconds, beats a 20 billion parameter competitor on the industry benchmark, and fits inside the graphics card in your gaming PC. Almost no channel is covering it. I'm going to show you what Mage-Flow actually is, the exact math on when it pays back your image API bill, and the one reason I am still keeping DALL-E on the invoice for another month. The name is misleading. Flow does not mean workflow builder. It refers to rectified flow matching, the training method Microsoft used. Mage-Flow is a foundation model. Wait, not a Zapier clone. Look at the spec sheet. 4 billion parameters. Turbo generation at 0.59 seconds per image on an A100. Turbo edit at 1.02 seconds. Peak inference memory, 18 to 20 gigabytes. The benchmark is the Punch, 0.88 on GenEval. Qwen image scores 0.87 at 20 billion parameters. FLUX 2 Klein at 9 billion scores 0.86. Microsoft shipped a smaller, faster, better scoring model and posted it on GitHub like a footnote. Stay with me. The install path is where most people quit, and I have the exact math on when the switch actually pays off. Skepticism first. Benchmarks lie. The real question is the money. I ran the arbitrage math live. 5,000 images a month. On DALL-E 3 standard quality, $200 a month. $2,400 a year. HD quality doubles it. $400 a month. $4,800 a year. An RTX 4090 rig costs about $2,000 one time. Break even against standard quality, 300 days. Against HD quality, 150 days. If you are running any pipeline above 5,000 images a month, the math already works. At 50,000 images a month, you paid for the rig in 15 days, and the same 20GB memory footprint that runs on an A100 fits inside a 4090 or a 3090. 24GB of consumer VRAM handles it. You do not need data center hardware. Here is the honest part. When I checked this morning, the ship was not complete. I hit the Hugging Face API for the Microsoft Mage repos. Empty. 0 results under the Microsoft author flag. The release page is live. The download button is not, which is the operator opportunity. When those weights land, the first tools to integrate them will not be ComfyUI or diffusers. It will be raw Python scripts run by operators who bookmark the release page and hit refresh every morning. The gap between weights hitting Hugging Face and mainstream tooling catching up is where the money is. Every operator who waits for a native ComfyUI node is 6 weeks late. The ones who wire it in raw own the cost curve for the next quarter. Verification. Open huggingface.co/Microsoft yourself right now. Search Mage. Watch when the first repo lands. That is the starting gun, not me telling you. The one reason I am not cancelling DALL-E yet. Text rendering, hands, and long brand consistent prompts. Nobody has independently tested those on real operator prompts. Until someone does, I run both in parallel and cut over when the eval passes. Subscribe if you want the head-to-head test when I run it. Free church, my school community, free to join, link in the description and pinned comment. I drop the working install scripts, the ComfyUI nodes as they land, and the raw output comparisons against DALL-E and Midjourney. Get in there before Microsoft's next release makes this one look small. Next video I am putting Mage-Flow head-to-head against DALL-E on 10 operator prompts. Meet me there.